Hey guys, maybe you can see it, I just woke up, but still I want to make a video for you. I want to show you the trades I took for this week, and I want to show you my competition on TradingView, which I've started for this month. So let's get right into it. Let's start with Euro US dollar on Monday. Yeah. On a higher time frame, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. You can see in about Asia session, we formed a huge gap, and every time we form such a huge gap, I'm just bullish. Because like 90% of times we are going to fill that gap every time. And all of this happened in this order block, which is also a good sign. So I hopped down to the 15-minute time frame. I saw this liquidity target, this 1 and 2 and 3 tops, which is a great target, in my opinion. And as soon as I saw that we couldn't break this low, price came down, couldn't break this low, we made a high which didn't break this high, which is a range, which is a liquidity target. Price came down here, showed us a strong reaction, and I entered. And let me see if I can find it on X. You can see on X I always try to post my entries and my setups right when I enter. I entered a Euro USD long position. I'm aiming for the huge gap to get filled. When we got the sweep and we got this huge reaction, I thought maybe, yeah, this is not going to play out, but I held and it did. But unfortunately, I broke one of my rules because this was all in school time, so I didn't had the time to manage my positions, and I closed the trade right about 1.8 R, which is right here. And if I just would have held it, would have easily hit a 3R target, which is very unfortunate. So what you can take from this lesson is always follow your rules and don't make any excuses like I did. So that's the trade I took on Monday. See if I took a trade on Bitcoin on the time. Oh yeah, I think I took a Bitcoin long. Where was it? Let me see an X. Yeah, here I stated Bitcoin starting to pump again. Sorry for everyone who didn't buy the dip. So where did I enter? Okay, right about there, somewhere about here, which really was a great entry. Like Bitcoin at such a low price again, like it's a steal, bro. Gotta get in. We tested this order block, which is a really strong one. Like look what it all take out. This is a strong order block. Price came down here, and yeah, we moved pretty much higher. And I'm expecting for price to now move even higher. We have come into this level again, so maybe I'm going to look for some buys again to see something like this, so we can get all of this out, this trend right here. So that's the trade I took on Bitcoin. Now let's get back on Euro USD. The next day I was bearish because we have filled this gap and we are still in a higher time frame downtrend. Like let's go on a daily time frame. Like huge downtrend. We had this reaction. So I thought, okay, maybe now we are going to sweep slow again. And I was pretty bearish. So on a lower time frame, let's take the 5 minutes. I saw, okay, we have filled this gap. We couldn't break this high. So maybe let's just enter a sell. I don't think I posted this on X because I was in school and didn't have the time to do it. I aimed for a 1 to 3. Did not hit. After that I set my stop loss to break even. So didn't lose anything. And yeah, unfortunately didn't went as expected. But for today, I posted yesterday a analysis on USD. Where is it? Right here. I said on the 1 hour time frame, price is moving higher and filled the gap. On the 1 day time frame, trend is still bearish, therefore it is most likely that price will continue its bearish momentum once we see a rejection out of the order block. And today, when I woke up, I saw, okay, this order block, which initially was bigger, we filled it. So I refined it. Maybe we are going to get into this refined order block and then move higher or down to the downside. We don't know it. But right now it looks like we are going to get into this area right here. Then let's see what happens from there. Because let me see. Got this 3G right here. Price looks really nice now. The 3 minute time frame, yeah. Price could easily sweep this again and come back into this refined order block. And now for the competition, I still want to show you how it's going. Competition started like on February. I profited around 8.7%, a little bit under $22,000. I'm currently position 2009-66, which is crazy for 8%, I think, in 2 fucking days. Like, how do they make this? Like 500% in 2 days? It's crazy. So there is just one answer, and it is risking more. So I think I gotta at least risk 10% so I can get into at least the 10th place. So 10% per trade, that's what I'm going to do now. Now let us take one last look at the DXY before I have to go. You see, the DXY was just dumping from Monday, and could be that price will react out of this order block, come higher. But honestly, it will look like price will even to this order block and even break this one, because we did manage to make a higher high. So in this case, we are super bullish for the euro dollar. This would mean we break the structure completely and are on a uptrend again, which is definitely a possible scenario. And with that, London session begins in 1 minute, and I wish you a great day. Bye.